Hello and welcome to the last minute update for week 4 of the second month. So the last minute skidding in of the last stuff. Okay, so I have been fighting with in-app purchases for Google for a while. There's a lot of stuff that you have to do, and most of it's evil. I finally a few minutes ago. Almost exactly an hour ago, got in-app purchases working on a test app, and it's kind of hard to see. I'll see if I can insert an image here, but that's what this is right here. Let's see. Let me go and rotate that real quick so it's easy for you to see. Rotate. Come on. Here we go. Done. So I have my test running right here. I don't know if you can see that, but the test one actually says it's working here. Unfortunately, when I show you down here, it's going to give me an item not found because you have to wait a long time for it to upload to or to publish to the Android store. Yes, you have to publish to the Android store before you can create in-app purchases. So I have an alpha up of my game, which is really cool, but it's not ready yet. So we're waiting on that. I am going to record a quick video here of the game running after we get through all this. Alright, so here we have my my current one running here. So it's in the store and everything. So in-app products, the ads begun, purchase, it's 99 cents. It's ready to go. Alright, so I had to go and create a bunch of stuff for that, and as you'll notice here, we're just waiting for that to finish, and it says it can take a couple of hours. Alright, so let's go look at some code real quick, or look at some stuff here real quick. I guess code too, yes. Minimize a few things here real quick. Alright, so you will notice that I do have the new art in here. It looks a little mashed up because it's the wrong aspect ratio at this moment, but you know what, you'll see it when you try it. Or when I show you, or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna skip over a lot of stuff that that I had to do to get this to work, because I don't have time. All right, so let's look at the store here real quick. You have to have this object here with this thing, and the one I happen to be using. Let's see, game object. So my check for purchase, this is good for both iOS and, hold on one second, Android. So let me go ahead and shrink this down to something usable. Or not. Okay. Alright, whatever. Okay, so here we go. This happens to be the first check here, so I initialize I start the in-app billing. Stuff for Android, I check to see if it's been purchased. If it has, then we're going to go ahead and make sure everything's set. The no ads equals 1 and flip back. Show the thank you with a cute little kitty. Otherwise, we're going to load the store. Same exact thing down here for iOS. Alright, so quick here, real quick. And it's not going to let me do that. Alright. A little bit more here. Bear with me a second. Alright, so the store logic. Alright, the store logic here has a few things. The startup of it here, that's actually not really necessary anymore. The restore button here will make sure we get anything that we don't have. The load will go back and load anything out of a file that's on the drive or on the device, or it'll go out to the storage and grab it. Buy add-on, so it calls the purchase to happen. It'll pop up a big window with everything. I'll show you that in a little bit. And allow you to buy everything. The rest of it is just iOS stuff. So let me go ahead and demonstrate the game itself in that section. So I'll see you in a minute, or very short for you. Alright, so here we have Panel de Noms running. Go ahead and start into it here real quick. See the new stuff here. It's really cool. So I'm going to go ahead into the store. It checks the status with very story music. So I'm going to hit buy on here. Alright, so right now it's forcing me into the store, the other mode here. Right now it's saying it's not available only because it hasn't been in the store long enough yet. Normally that would be it right there, and then it would come back and purchase and all that stuff. So unfortunately, I can't show you that. But it should be available when you check it yourself. But before you try, I need to know what your Gmail account is, so I can, or your Google account, so I can set you up as a tester, so you don't actually get charged. So, all right, and it'll work. So, and that's what I have to show you. Of course, I can show you here real quick. Hey, look at that. I still have other things to fix right now, so. Sadly, I had to change music and stuff like that, so. Alright, that's pretty cool. Oh, and some of my new options here. Cool. Yes, that's not the right Japanese. Oops, I need to fix that. Okay. Cool.